including this one is maybe the screws have circlip lock, so they are not coming out. So I'll take it from here. After removing the back cover, all you need to do is just push this connector backside, push it back in this way, here. Now remove these screws, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Actually, this video I am not replacing the battery, but I am demonstrating how you can replace the battery for your laptop. You can order the battery online or from a local DELL authorized service center or spare parts store, and then you can replace it by yourself. Just remove it in this way. As you can see, this battery is already swollen here, and this needs replacement, but I will take approval from customer, the client, and if they agree, then I will replace this battery. So now take out your new battery, unbox it from your new battery packing, place it in this way here. Be careful. Take these screws, 1, try to fix them diagonally first. Now take the battery connector in this way, push it backwards, insert it in the connector groove, press it gently. Yes, it's locked. Now fix the back cover. Now fasten all the screws.